Assalamu alaikum. This is Ideas English Phonics Preschool 3 Reader Plus workbook. Today we are going to learn from page number 12. On this page, children, we are going to read, match and write 3 letters CVC phonetic words. Look at this, children. This is fig. Listen again, children. This word is fig. Listen one more time, children. The word is fig. Now say with me, children. This word is fig. Say again, children. The word is fig. And this word is wig. Listen again, children. This word is wig. Say again, children. This word is wig. This is fig and this is wig. This is fig and this is wig. Children, look at this. This word is sit. Listen again, children. This word is sit. Listen one more time, children. The word is sit. This is fig. This is wig. This is sit. And children, this word is lip. Listen again, children. This word is lip. Listen one more time, children. The word is lip. Now say with me, this is lip. Say again, children. This is lip. Fig, wig, sit, lip. Look at this, children. This word is zip. Listen again, children. The word is zip. Listen one more time, children. This word is zip. And this word is dip. Listen again, children. The word is dip. This is zip and this is dip. Now say again with me, children. This is zip and this is dip. Let's read all the words on this page. Fig, wig, sit, lip, zip, dip. Let's read again, children. Fig, wig, sit, lip, zip, dip. Children, this is fig and the word fig is matched with another word fig with a straight line. Likewise, children, you will match all the words. This is wig and this is wig. Children, you have to match this word wig with this with a straight line. This word is sit and this is sit. Children, you have to match this word sit with this with a straight line. This is lip and this is another word lip. Children, you have to match this word lip with this with a straight line. This is zip and this is another word zip. Children, you have to match this word zip with this zip with a straight line. This is dip. Children, this is another word dip. You have to match this dip with this with a straight line. After matching the words, children, now you have to write these words. This is sit. Children, you have to write the word sit here in between these 4 lines. This is zip. Children, you will write the word zip here by yourself. This is fig. Children, you have to write the word fig here by yourself. This is wig. Children, you have to write the word wig by yourself here in these 4 lines. This is dip. Children, you have to write the word dip here by yourself. This is lip. Children, you have to write the word lip here on these 4 lines by yourself. Let's read all the words again. Fig, wig, sit, lip, zip, dip.